time to clean and make things glow. Grab your broom and join the team. Together we'll make the city gleam. Thursday's task to find the gold, the treasure map that's very old. Solve the clues, let's work together. Super brains will make it better. Wednesday's here, let's take a flight. Helping birds reach a safer height. Flap your wings, soar through the skies. Save the chicks and hear their cries. Thursday's task, it's time to run. Saving towns from the burning sun. Bring the rain, cool the heat. Thunder heroes can't be beat. Friday's here, we're having a blast. Throwing a party, we work so fast. Dancing, laughing, it's time to cheer. Superheroes make joy appear. Saturday's here, a helping hand. Fix the park and clear the land. Plant some trees, make it green. The nicest park you've ever seen. Sunday's here, we take a rest. Heroes need to feel their best. Stretching on, let's slow the pace. Next week's missions we'll embrace. Super days, super fun. One for all and all for one. Now you know the days are done. Come back next week for more fun.